Welcome to MeDAP Medical Software Training, Part 17. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to use macros. Macros are a group of codes that can be used as templates. There are two ways to create a macro. The first method is if we go into the patient visits. Then we look for a patient. Then here at the medicine tab, we can see that it says here select macro, an open drop-down window, and a create, edit and view macros. But first, let us go ahead and add a couple of medicines. Just an example, I've chosen these 4 items. After choosing these 4 items, you should go ahead and fill in the necessary fields over here. Once you're done, go ahead and click on create, edit or view macros located over here. This will bring up a pop-up. All you have to do is click on edit, and a window will pop up saying this form is now ready for editing. Click on OK. Once enabled, go ahead and enter a macro description. I'm just going to use this as an example. Once you've added your description, go ahead and click on import. Another window will pop up asking, would you like to add these items to the list? Click on yes. And now you have created a macro. You can go ahead and close this window. As you can see, example macro is now being used over here. You can go ahead and choose another visit. Go to medicine, click on the drop down arrow and choose example if you need to use these items again. The second method is a little bit more complicated, but it is a way to create your own type of macro. Let's first look for a patient. Once you found your patient, go to the medicine tab located over here. Now over here we can see select macro, and to the right of it, it says create, edit and view macros. You can click on the text. This will open up this window. Everything is grayed out. If you click here on edit, it will enable you to edit this form. The form is now ready for editing. Over here it says macro description. You can click inside it and name it. Once we're done filling in the relevant information up here, we can go down here to medicine description, click inside it and start typing the medicine you are looking for. Then you can add the quantity. You can click in the next field and start typing again, and you can continue on doing so. You can also use the drop-down menu like so, if you want to choose that way of finding your medicine. We can now close the window once we are done. We can now use the macro we just created on other records as well. All you need to do is go to this little arrow over here and click on it and select the correct macro. To edit or change any of the macros you've used, you can click over here again and then click on edit, and then you're ready to edit that macro once again.